Weather versus climate, understanding the differences. Have you ever wondered why some places like Hawaii can appear on both the best and worst climate lists? Today we're diving into the key differences between weather and climate, terms that affect our daily lives and long-term plans. But first, let's define weather and climate. Weather is the short-term atmospheric conditions of a specific place and time. Think of it as what's happening outside your window right now, whether it's sunny, rainy, or windy. Where climate is the long-term average of weather in a particular area over decades. It's why we plan vacations to sunny Hawaii in February, even though it might rain when we get there. Let's compare key characteristics of both weather and climate. For weather, it's air temperature, humidity, wind speed, and direction, type, quantity, and frequency of precipitation. Key characteristics of climate include long-term trends and things that are influenced by factors like the sun's angle, cloud cover, and air pressure. For example, Hilo and Kona, two cities on the Big Island of Hawaii, have very different climates. Hilo, located on the windward side, receives lots of rain from the Pacific trade winds. Kona, on the other hand, is on the leeward side, sits in a rain shadow, making it drier and more popular with tourists. Their climates remain relatively steady over time, even though the daily weather can vary. Let's apply a more common example that most of you can relate to, even if you've never been to Hawaii. Imagine you're planning a picnic. You check the weather forecast for the weekend. It says sunny skies with a high of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. That is weather. Now imagine moving to a city where the average temperature is mild year-round, like San Diego in California. That's climate. So here's a challenge. Are you ready? Think of a place you'd like to visit. What would you look at first? The weather for the day or the climate over the season? Share your answer and why in the comments below. Now that you understand the difference, let's test it out. Look up the weather and climate for two places you'd like to visit. Compare how each impacts your plans. Go ahead and press pause while you look up the information. All right, to wrap up, remember this. Weather is like a snapshot or a photograph. It's what you get today. Climate then would be the album. It shows the trends over time. Understanding both weather and climate helps us plan better and appreciate the world's diverse environment.